Today's story is about a chicken farm, military airplanes, and a legal question that changed property rights in America. How much of the sky do you actually own? During World War II, Thomas Causby and his family owned a small chicken farm in North Carolina. Near their property was a military airport used by the United States government. At first, the planes were simply part of wartime life, but over time, military aircraft began flying extremely low over the Causby farm, sometimes just above the property. The noise became overwhelming. Bright lights flashed across the farm at night, and according to the family, the chickens became terrified whenever the planes roared overhead. Some chickens reportedly panicked so badly that they flew into walls and died. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. The low-flying aircraft made it difficult for the family to continue operating the farm normally, so the Causbys sued the United States government. The case eventually reached the United States Supreme Court in the famous 1946 case United States versus Causby. The government argued that the air above the land was public airspace and that airplanes had the legal right to fly there. But the Causby family argued that these flights were so low and so frequent that they were destroying the use and enjoyment of their property. The Supreme Court agreed with the Causby family. The court explained that property owners do not own the sky forever, up to heaven, especially in the modern age of airplanes. However, the court also ruled that landowners still have rights to the immediate airspace above their property if low-flying aircraft directly interfere with the use of the land. In the end, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Causby family. The court decided that the government's flights were interfering too heavily with the family's property rights, and the family was entitled to compensation. The case became one of the most important aviation and property law cases in American history because it helped define modern airspace rights. And that's the story of the chicken farm case that asked, how much of the sky do you really own? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, follow along for more. See you on the next one.